Alright, before we begin doing some kettlebells, let's go ahead and warm up. Let's take that left arm across your chest and get a little stretch in. Now, I always like to stretch everything about 8 seconds. So if I go too long, don't worry. Just try to keep up with me, but never go more than 30 seconds. But let's at least get 8 seconds in. Get it on the other side and hold that for 8 too. Alright, let's swing that out. And that's about all we'll need for our upper body. This is actually more of a lower body workout, so let's lift one arm up and hold it with your hand. Really take your knee and push it down to the ground and try to keep those knees close together. That'll give you an even better stretch on that first set. Alright, after 8 seconds, let's switch to the other side. Always stand up nice and tall on this stretch too. It's really stretching out that hip flexor and your quad. We're really going to get a good quad workout when we do this stretch. Alright, take it down on the left leg. This is a inner groin and a hamstring stretch. You want to make sure that you actually push back with your hip down into the ground as you do this one. Dig nice and deep in there and let that blood flow. Let's switch over to the other side. Now as you're doing this, you can also lift up on your lower back and curl forward. You can lift up on your neck too and let your chin come down to the ground. You can feel that all through the back. Go and lift up and come down in the middle too. Pull down and hold on to each side of your legs to get even deeper on that. We should be feeling nice and warm by now. Alright, and that's it for our warm up. If you got a jacket on, go ahead and take it off and let's get started. Let's hold it up like a gun. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pop and drop. And 2, and 3, and 4. Keep that chest up. 6, 7. Pop and drop. Nice. On the other arm. Lift it up. Keep that shoulder blade back behind you. Nice. Flex the knees. And 2. And 3. 4. Keep your butt low. 6, 7, and pop and drop. Nice. Alright, nice little first set. You can stretch out a little bit more here if you like. Not too bad. Let's hold that arm across the chest. And switch to the other side. Nice. Now you'll see that my warm-ups in between each set just let you cool down and get your heart rate back to a nice low set so you can really give us 100% on that next set. Okay, we're going to lift up the kettlebell and hold it in between your hands. Align your pinkies along the sides and keep those shoulders nice and back. We never want to bend forward, so keep the chest nice and high and swing the kettlebell far away from you on this set. Make sure you have your eyes on the horizon all the time. Never look down at your kettlebell like this. Always keep those eyes up and flex the knees. Ready? Hold it out and go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. We got 12 of these. 5, 6, nice and low. 7, 3, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, pop and drop. Nice. Good set, guys. Alright, so let's get a deeper leg stretch in. Those legs should be feeling nice and warm, and believe it or not, we are halfway done with this whole workout. Let's go on that other leg. Kind of bounce around there. Let those muscles feel nice and loose. Pull it up in front of you and kind of sit down with your glutes too and feel that as high as you can. Now on this one, you want to hold it up like a gun and actually chuck it out way far away from you while you keep your back backwards. See how my back goes backwards as I swing this down. Nice. And that chest is always up high as the butt gets low. Ready? And go. 1, 2, all the way to the eyes. 3, get that butt low. 4, 5, hold that other arm behind. 6, 7, breathe guys. And 8, pop and drop. Nice. Get that other side. All right, ready? And 1, and 2, and 3. Nice and high chest. 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, and 8. Pop and drop. Good job, guys. That was 3 sets. You should get a nice long break here. Really get your breath back. Feel this out. Get another arm stretch in. Think about your breathing, though. Really try to calm that chest down. Stretch that arm out. Really feel the flow. Going good. Other arm. Hold it across your chest. Nice deep breaths. All right, and let's swing that guy out too. Now if you push hard in each set, then you get longer breaks. Now on this pop and twist, you're going to keep your chest up, and you're going to tuck the weight down, then twist your body over and hold it to your side. You put it down, and you twist and touch it with your other hand. You see that I keep the chest nice and high, go down, pull it backwards from the elbow, and twist those ribs around. Get that butt nice and low. Don't bend the upper body down and look down at it. Otherwise, you're going to get the wrong muscles worked out. You also, if you want, you can keep one leg completely free of the weight and twist over to the side. No weight on that leg, but that's advanced. You don't have to do that. Ready? Keep the weight up. And 1, and 2, and 3. Chest up. And 5, and 6, and 7. Last one. 8. Pop and drop. Nice. Other arm. Last set of the day, guys. Give me 100% on this one. Ready? And 1, and 2, and 3. Take it low. 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7,